Stroke is the fifth leading cause of death in adults over 60. But why? As we age, blood vessels naturally stiffen, blood becomes thicker, and circulation slows, especially during long periods of immobility like sleep. Sleep posture, pillow height, neck angle, and oxygen flow all play a huge role in brain circulation, but sadly, most seniors don't know this. Let's look at what happens in your body when you sleep in the wrong position. Are you over 60 and waking up feeling tired, dizzy, or numb? What if I told you the way you sleep could be putting your brain and your life at serious risk? Shocking, right? Well, in this video, we're diving deep into how certain sleep habits and positions may silently increase your risk of stroke or poor blood flow, and the best way to position your body to sleep safely and soundly. Stick with me to the end, and I'll share a bonus sleep routine that helps seniors prevent brain fog, stroke risk, and circulation problems while improving heart health. Before we dive into the dangerous sleeping habits that harm seniors or causes stroke, kindly drop in the comment where you're watching from. Thank you. Now, let's dive deeper into the most dangerous sleeping positions and habits that could silently increase the risk of stroke, poor circulation, and even heart issues in seniors. 1. Sleeping on the stomach, prone position. Many people sleep on their stomachs out of habit, but for seniors, this is a major red flag. When you sleep on your stomach, your neck is forced to rotate and bend unnaturally to the side for hours. This causes compression of carotid arteries, the vessels responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood to the brain. Reduced flow here raises your risk of blood clots, strokes, and even long-term neurological damage. Also, sleeping on your stomach puts direct pressure on your spine and chest. This compresses internal organs, restricts breathing capacity, and can worsen joint pain, which is all serious concerns in older adults. Safer alternative? Switch to side or back sleeping with proper pillow support. It reduces stress on the neck and improves overall circulation. Number 2, sleeping with too many pillows. Propping up your head with multiple pillows might feel cozy, but it's risky for blood flow. When your head and neck are tilted too steeply forward or sideways, it kinks the carotid arteries, limiting oxygen supply to your brain. Over time, this can cause dizziness, morning headaches, and mini strokes, TIAs in seniors. It also strains the spine and disrupts breathing, especially in people with sleep apnea or COPD. What to do instead? Use one supportive orthopedic pillow that keeps the neck aligned with your spine. If you have acid reflux, use a gentle wedge under the mattress, not stacks of pillows under your head. Number 3, crossing legs or arms while sleeping. It might feel natural to sleep curled up tightly with arms or legs crossed, but this is another red flag. When you cross your limbs, you're compressing veins and arteries, which slows down circulation. This raises your risk of blood clots, deep vein thrombosis, and can cause numbness, tingling, or swelling in the limbs. In older adults with poor circulation or diabetes, this pressure can delay wound healing and worsen neuropathy symptoms. Tip: train yourself to sleep with arms and legs gently extended or use a body pillow to prevent crossing during sleep. Number 4, falling asleep in a chair or recliner for long periods. Napping in a recliner or sitting up in a chair may seem harmless, but it can be quite dangerous, especially for seniors. When you sleep upright, gravity causes blood to pool in your lower body, especially the legs. This increases your risk of deep vein thrombosis, a silent but deadly condition where a clot forms in the legs and travels to the lungs or brain. Prolonged seated sleeping also reduces lung expansion, making breathing shallower and lowering oxygen intake, particularly risky for those with heart conditions or chronic lung disease. Solution: Recliners are fine for short naps, but always try to sleep flat on a supportive mattress for overnight rest. Number 5. Sleeping in cold rooms without proper movement or covers. Seniors often prefer cooler rooms to sleep, but cold temperatures cause blood vessels to constrict. If you're immobile during sleep in a cold environment, your circulation slows dramatically, especially to the hands, feet, and brain. This can cause poor oxygen delivery, stiffness, and even elevate blood pressure upon waking. For people already dealing with circulation issues, this can be dangerous. How to fix this? Ensure you use warm, breathable blankets and do gentle stretches before bed to encourage blood flow. A room temperature of 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 21 degrees Celsius is optimal for most seniors. Now that we've looked at the risks, let's focus on the safest and healthiest sleep position for older adults, the left side sleeping position. This isn't just a comfort preference, it's backed by science. Why left side sleeping is best? Number 1, it promotes heart health. When you sleep on your left side, gravity helps facilitate smoother blood flow from your heart to the rest of the body. It reduces pressure on the vena cava, the large vein that carries blood back to your heart, easing your heart's workload, especially during sleep. This is crucial for seniors with congestive heart failure, high blood pressure, or circulation problems. Number 2, it reduces acid reflux and heartburn. The left side keeps the stomach below the esophagus, preventing acid from rising into the throat. This is especially important for seniors with GERD, hiatal hernias, or those taking acid-blocking medications. Tip: avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime and use an adjustable bed if reflux is severe. Number 3, it supports lymphatic drainage and detoxification. Your lymph system, the body's garbage disposal, is more active during sleep. Sleeping on your left side enhances drainage through the thoracic duct, which helps clear toxins and metabolic waste. This supports liver function, immune health, and reduces inflammation. Number 4, it improves brain detox. It prevents dementia. Studies show that left side sleeping improves lymphatic drainage, a brain-specific waste system that clears amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. For seniors, this may help improve mental clarity, reduce brain fog, and even slow cognitive decline. Number 5, it reduces snoring and sleep apnea. Left side sleeping keeps the tongue and soft tissues from collapsing into the airway. It reduces snoring and helps manage obstructive sleep apnea, a condition that worsens stroke risk if left untreated. If you always feel uncomfortable sleeping on your left side, here are other sleep options for you. Back sleeping is acceptable if the head is elevated and legs are supported to avoid pressure on lower back and lungs. Right side sleeping is not dangerous, but may increase acid reflux or stress the heart slightly. Avoid stomach sleeping at all costs. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's your body's nighttime repair mode. While you're asleep, your body performs critical functions, restoring tissues, flushing out toxins from your brain, balancing hormones, and most importantly, keeping blood circulating to every organ. But here's the catch. If blood flow is restricted during sleep, these repair functions slow down. Poor circulation while sleeping can mean less oxygen to the brain, reduced heart function, and increased risk of stroke, dementia, and extreme fatigue upon waking. Let's break this down a bit. When you sleep in the wrong position, especially on your stomach or with your neck twisted, your carotid arteries, which supply blood to your brain, can get compressed. This decreases oxygen supply, making you groggy, forgetful, or dizzy the next morning. Seniors with conditions like diabetes, varicose veins, or congestive heart failure already have compromised circulation, and wrong sleep posture makes it worse. In the long run, restricted blood flow during sleep can contribute to silent mini strokes or TIAs, which gradually damage brain tissue without dramatic symptoms. Who's most at risk? Seniors age 65 plus, people with high blood pressure or cholesterol, anyone with poor leg circulation, peripheral artery disease, people on medications that affect heart rate or blood pressure. Now, let's discuss some easy ways to improve circulation during sleep starting tonight. Tips to support healthy blood flow while sleeping. 1. Elevate your legs slightly. Use a soft pillow or wedge under your knees or calves to promote venous return. This means blood doesn't pull in your legs but moves back toward your heart. It reduces swelling and risk of clots. 2. Maintain bedroom temperature at 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal range for sleep and vascular function. If it's too cold, blood vessels constrict, reducing circulation. Too hot, you sweat, dehydrate, and increase heart strain. 3. Use a memory foam pillow for neck support. Your pillow should support the natural curve of your neck. A twisted neck position can impede blood flow to the brain and strain the cervical spine, especially in seniors. 4. Avoid tight pajamas, bras, or socks in bed. Anything tight around your waist, calves, or chest can restrict lymphatic flow and blood circulation. Choose breathable, loose-fitting sleepwear instead. 5. Gentle leg and ankle stretches before bed. Simple ankle rotations, calf stretches, or gentle yoga moves before bedtime stimulates blood flow, reduce stiffness, and prevent leg cramps. Just as dangerous habits can hurt your circulation, there are also powerful bedtime routines that can improve your blood flow, reduce stroke risk, and help you wake up feeling refreshed. These are not complicated. In fact, most can be done in less than 10 minutes before bed. 1. Light evening movement. Before climbing into bed, try gentle stretches or slow walking around your room. This activates your calf muscles, improves venous return from the legs to the heart, and reduces pooling of blood in the lower body. If you have arthritis or joint stiffness, slow leg lifts while seated on the bed can also help. 2. Gentle leg and foot massage. Massaging your calves and feet for even 3 to 5 minutes can help stimulate blood vessels and prevent nighttime cramping. Using a warm towel or heated pad for a minute before massage can further improve blood flow. 3. Warm shower or foot bath. Warm water causes your blood vessels to dilate, allowing better circulation to extremities. For seniors with cold hands and feet at night, a 10-minute warm foot soak before bed can make a big difference in sleep quality. 4. Breathing exercises for circulation. Deep, slow breathing, like the 4-7-8 method, not only relaxes your mind, but also improves oxygen delivery to the blood. Oxygen-rich blood keeps your brain and heart functioning properly through the night. 5. Proper mattress and pillow support. If your mattress is too soft or too hard, your body sinks or stiffens, creating pressure points that slow circulation. Choose a medium firm mattress and a pillow that keeps your neck aligned with your spine. If you have lower back pain, place a pillow under your knees when lying on your back. 6. Avoid heavy meals or alcohol before bed. Eating a large, fatty, or salty dinner late at night can increase blood pressure and strain your circulation while sleeping. Alcohol can make you drowsy but disrupts deep sleep cycles, leading to nighttime oxygen dips. Did you know your nighttime snack or drink can either help or hinder your circulation while you sleep? Let's explore the best circulation boosting foods for older adults to enjoy in the evening. We're not talking about heavy meals. We're talking about targeted nutrients that relax blood vessels, lower inflammation, and help your body rest and repair while you sleep. Best circulation-friendly foods before bed for seniors. Bananas. Rich in magnesium and potassium, bananas help relax blood vessels and regulate fluid balance. This supports healthy heart rhythms and improves nighttime circulation, especially in the legs. Beets or beet juice, a small serving. Beets are packed with nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and improves blood flow to the brain and heart. A small glass of beet juice a few hours before bed can enhance oxygen flow overnight. Chamomile tea. More than a calming tea, chamomile helps relax blood vessels, reduce anxiety, and promote better oxygen delivery while sleeping. It also reduces inflammation in aging arteries. Almonds. Just a handful of unsalted almonds gives you vitamin E, which keeps blood vessels flexible and prevents hardening. Vitamin E also helps reduce clot risk, making it great for older adults. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi contains antioxidants, serotonin precursors, and vitamin C, all of which help reduce blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and reduce stroke risk. It's one of the best fruits to eat before bed. Important: avoid heavy meals or high-sodium snacks before bed. They increase blood pressure, disturb sleep, and hinder nighttime repair. We've talked about a lot today, from the sleeping positions that can protect your brain and heart, to the small evening habits that can improve your circulation while you rest. Remember, quality sleep is not just about feeling rested, it's about giving your body the oxygen, nutrients, and healing time it needs to keep you strong and independent for years to come. If you are over 60, every single night's sleep is like a health investment. The way you position yourself, the pillows you choose, the room temperature you sleep in, and even what you eat before bed can all add up over time. And these small changes don't just protect you from strokes, they can also help you wake up with more energy, sharper memory, and a stronger heart. I want you to remember this: good sleep equals good circulation, and good circulation equals good life. Don't wait for a health scare before you start taking your sleeping habits seriously. You deserve to feel safe, rested, and renewed every single morning. If you found this information helpful, please share it with friends, parents, or grandparents who might benefit. Together, we can help more seniors live healthier, happier lives, one good night's sleep at a time. This has been your guide to sleeping safely for better blood circulation and stroke prevention in seniors. Stay well, rest well, and I'll see you in our next video.